And you notice your question all got color one, right?
Yeah. So color very important.
Yeah, green color lah.
Copper and iron too.
这个你跟我讲啦 I think you know how to do already lah.
What do they mean by the green crystals that heat gently becomes liquid?
Heat gently, you will expel a liquid that boils at 100 degrees.
Then what happened to the green crystals?
Then the green crystal, water get expelled from it. No? Green crystal remain the same. They never say anything happened to it.
Oh,
Because green crystals remains as add water, it becomes solution of E. So the green crystals, the compound never change. You just expel water from it.
So there's water in the green crystals? Understand.
Yeah, it's because just now I say long story, next time I talk about it, right? When I talk about copper sulfate, the anhydrous and hydrated thing.
Oh, so they put water into the...
Yeah, so there's this thing called anhydrous. Yeah. And then there's this term called hydrated.
Oh, so it's hydrated copper.
Yeah, something like that lah. So you have a crystal, right? All crystals will have water inside because to maintain the structure of a crystal there needs to be something called the water of crystallization. It should be somewhere in your acid bases and whatever chapter where they have one tiny line hidden somewhere, water of crystallization.
Just one tiny line. Okay, I see. Yeah. Then after it's really hydrated, then still add the water?
No, so that means the crystal itself, right, contains water.
Oh.
But the water molecules is used to fix the crystal in their position so that you have the crystal structure. Okay. Then, so when you take this kind of crystal, right, then you heat it up. Then the water gets expelled. That means you destroy the water of crystallization. You take out the water. When that happens, right, there's no more water to hold the ions in place, right? Then the crystal structure will disappear and then you'll become powder.
Then it becomes the
anhydrous compound in the powder form.
Okay.
So green crystals, yeah, I think you can work this out and tell me.
Crystals is the copper.
Then your past few questions all barium sulfate.
I think my child really likes barium sulfate.
It's because, right, the test, right, they only test for these few compounds because those are the ones that the observations are the most obvious and...
What, 2+?
Crystals that they want the name later on you have to change the identity. You can write down first then cancel out later and put down the identity, which I always do when you are asking.
Crystals is just
copper something
copper something. Oh,
is it copper something?
Yeah,
you think, huh?
But wait, I say iron. Yeah. Sodium hydroxide. Oh no, it's iron.
Yeah, iron.
Okay. And then
this kind of question always make mistake one, so it's fine. No need to get stressed out because got mistake done.
Then what is this? What is E? Oh wait, this means it's sulfate, right? Oh, what is sulfate?
So it means that there's sulfate in E.
Sulfate in E. So it's iron.
Yeah.
How do I write that as the equation form?
You mean the formula form?
Yeah, the formula form.
Like that, right? Iron 2 and sulfate is like this. So the numbers switch and become iron SO4 like 2, 2, right? But because they're both 2, you don't have to write it down.
Okay.
Part A. What's part B?
Part B is green precipitate. Oh, it's still there.
Yeah, because I write on the PowerPoint, so you disappear.
Oh.
But you use Zoom, you write on the screen, so it doesn't disappear.
I see. Okay, F is water.
Water.
Iron.
Okay. So now down here I have to talk about this how to write your answer. First, they say identify.
So I must write in full sentences.
Identify, that means you have to write out the full name or you write down the chemical formula.
Oh, okay.
But sometimes they say name blah 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 blah. Then you have to write the full name.
Okay.
Then they say write the chemical formula. Then that means, right, this one can only write the chemical formula.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So if they specify, then must write that one. Cannot choose yourself.
You cannot either or. Because I know when we are discussing this, right, we just use chemical formula because easy and convenient. But got such a thing.
Okay.